Welcome friends, let's take a look at finding the derivative of the log function base 3 of x times the square root of x minus 1 over 2. So first stage in the process is to just rewrite this using the rules of logarithms. So we might do that as follows. I would say here that this is equivalent to log base 3 of x multiplying the square root of x minus 1 this way. And then from there this would be minus log base 3 of 2. Now this part right here, right, because it's a product of two functions, you can write that as log base 3 of x, and then after that plus log base 3 of the square root of x minus 1, and then after that further you can say, let's see, minus log base 3 of 2. One last move, you see this part right here, right, this part in green, that can be written as 1/2. So I can now write log base 3 of x, and because it can be written as 1/2, what I can do is I can just move it over and I can place it out here as 1/2 this way. So 1/2 log base 3 of x minus 1 minus log base 3 of 2 this way. And now what I can do is differentiate this equivalent expression term by term. So let's go through that process. So in other words, I'm going to say the derivative with respect to x of log base 3 of x, and it's going to be plus 1/2 the derivative with respect to x of log base 3 of x minus 1 minus the derivative with respect to x this way of log base 3 of 2. Now for this first part over here, take a look. Specifically at this part right here in blue, I can just write the following. It's 1 over the ln of the base times the x, and that is that part done. For the next part, I can say 1/2 times 1 over ln of the base, which is ln of 3, times whatever x minus 1 is, which is what it is here, and then times the derivative of the x minus 1, but that's just 1. It doesn't change anything. And for the last part, the derivative of this one right here, well, think about this, right? This is just a disguised form of a constant, so that derivative is 0, in other words, just goes away. Which means that the final answer is this part right here. If it's been helpful, if you like math like this, please leave a like, please subscribe. I'll see you in another video.